There are two ways you are using to distort the face of your subject in your videos, and I don't like them. The first one is to motion track the mosaic effect. The next one is so annoying. After duplicating your video, you add the square blur and go masking. Then you will have to adjust this mask on every frame. But what if I told you that you can do that with a single click? That's not all. Actually, I have a list of 3 effects that you probably didn't expect to be existing in Filmora. So even if your video is of low quality or your subject has fast movements, this effect will still detect and follow smoothly. Under Effects, search for Face Off. After dragging it down to your video, double-click and go to the effects. And here, you can even use the emoji. And the other thing is, you can even blur 2 faces on the same video, as you are seeing here, and this will work as long as the subjects are facing the camera, so this will save much of your time when editing. Here is the second effect on my list. When you want to express some close highlights, you need some proportional perspective editing to bring this kind of a view. But let me tell you, it's quite a hard thing to edit this kind of view from scratch when you're using Filmora. Nonetheless, Filmora effects make it possible, so this is the enlarge effect. Under Effects tab, search for enlarge. So as you can see, here is the video before the effect. And here is the after effect. There is nothing to set in the effect setting but only opacity. So, in my opinion, this effect is most suitable for scrolling views. You may be scrolling your website up or down. It will make your scene look more professional. Here is the last effect on my list. This is the type of scene that can be found in many old movies. So this is the main character in the movie, and when he is choked by his opponent, it seems like that's the end, but guess what? He is not going to die, he gets into a vision. Now that transition from real life to that dreamy visionary world is effect number 3, a grainy blur. So after dragging the effect onto the video, we still have to do some animations, because without the animation, our effect will just be motionless like this. So double-click the video or the image with the effect, go Effects. So this is the amount of the blur. On this edit I set it to 0.3. Down there is the smoothness, I set it to maximum. And then the actual part of the effect is here on angle. If start adjusting, you can see the motions. So you just add a keyframe right on the start. Then on the next keyframe you can adjust here, according to the duration you want the effect to take. Now the last, which is the bonus effect, will save you time that you spend creating the cinematic black bars. Go to your effects and search for cinema. You have to set nothing, but it's just a drag and drop, unless you want to animate it on the opening or on the end. For other Filmora new tricks that you probably don't know about, click the video that's coming on the end. If you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up.